Is your Cadillac XTS key fob, 2013 to 2014 models, not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple, cost-effective way to regain full functionality. Dealerships often charge $50 to $150 for this service, but you can easily do it yourself for just a few dollars. This video will guide you through the process step by step. The Cadillac XTS key fob uses a standard 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin battery. This small, round battery provides the power for all the remote functions. You'll only need a few basic tools: a small flathead screwdriver, a coin, or a plastic pry tool. These are used to gently open the key fob casing. Avoid using excessive force as you could damage the plastic. Gloves are optional, but recommended to keep the battery contacts clean. First, locate the seam on the side of the key fob. Insert your flathead screwdriver, coin, or pry tool into this seam. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Take your time and avoid applying too much pressure to prevent cracking the plastic. The goal is to separate the case without damaging it. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the positive and negative markings inside the compartment. Remove the old battery carefully. The CR2032 battery has specific dimensions and polarity markings. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Double-check the polarity before reassembling to avoid damage. Begin by carefully aligning the two halves of the key fob, ensuring the buttons and key slot match up properly. Snap the halves back together firmly until you hear or feel them click into place. The casing should be fully closed and secure. Test all key fob functions on your Cadillac XTS: the lock button, unlock button, trunk release, and panic button. Press each one to ensure they work correctly. If any function doesn't work, double-check that the battery is inserted with correct polarity and that the casing halves are properly aligned. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Gently clean them with rubbing alcohol to ensure good connection. In rare cases, the key fob may need reprogramming at the dealership to resync with the vehicle. Aging key fobs often have shorter battery life, as reported in user forums. Consider proactive battery replacements to avoid problems. Replacing your Cadillac XTS key fob battery is a straightforward DIY task that saves you time and money compared to a dealership visit, which can cost $50 to $150. Online resources like YouTube tutorials and repair apps such as RepairPal provide additional guidance for the repair. While automotive trends are shifting towards digital keys and keyless systems, DIY battery replacement remains relevant for older models like the XTS. By following these steps, you can keep your key fob working reliably for years to come. Remember to recycle the old battery properly.